What is up, everyone? Welcome back to another episode. Let me fix my mic because it's probably too close to my mouth. All right, it should be better now. So we are now at Import Expo, New York, and we are here for the first time, and I was very happy to be accepted at the show with my BRZ. As you can see, we're at Javits Center in New York City, and we are in front of some really cool builds and some really cool bikes here. So let me show you around, and then we'll have some chat.
What do you say? What?
So we out here, Import Expo.
Did you fart?
It wasn't me.
God damn it! What the?
To New York, where it smells like fart and there's always an ambulance.
That's right.
So with that, I forgot to record an outro for this video, but don't forget that if you like this content, like, subscribe, comment, and share it with everybody that you know. And please subscribe. That will be very helpful. Thank you. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.